All right, guys. So I made a couple videos about me getting the dbrand skins, right? So I have a video out there that I tried to put this dbrand. I bought this other dbrand skin that goes directly onto the phone. I didn't like it, and my mistake thinking that I could put it on the back of this grip case, and I couldn't. So I actually had to go buy grip skins for that. So we got these three, and I am actually going to keep within this one. Let's see if this is any better. So we're gonna install this today. Let's start by cleaning this case. We got a little bit of alcohol. This case is banged up, and it is not looking too good, you know. So let's see how horrible it is to install this. Actually, we're gonna get a blower. Listen, I know if you watch my other videos, I talk about this blower. I love this blower. I think this blower is amazing, especially when you put it on 3. It just blows everything away. So I would highly recommend this blower. All right, so let's get into putting this mess on. Now, it does not help when you have fat fingers, and obviously you only get one skin that goes on here. And as most of you have seen my other video, you know that I'm pretty horrible at this, so I brought in a couple of tools. Yes, this is a cuticle thing, but I think it's good for like these edges right here. So let's get into this mess and see what we could do here. All right, so I don't need this part, although I was worried that there's going to be like a matching issue, but I don't think it's going to be. In the worst case, we could always take it off and put it on. All right. So I always start with the camera place because I feel like that is where the hardest part. I feel like if you get the camera angle down, that maybe I should start with the whole side over here. Does that look right? It might look right. Oh man, somebody's getting lucky tonight. I can't believe I just did that. And I can't believe I haven't recorded. See, this is from their screen protector. Oh, shit. Cool. All right. How does that look? That looks pretty good. Holy crap. That looks really good and better than the back. And this one actually matches it. So not bad. And that was a really easy install. It looks like I got all the corners good. So now I can't turn off the lights, then you guys can't see anything. But so I got my black light. We're gonna shine it on here and see how this goes. I don't know if it's gonna come through on the camera because there's so much light here. And my autofocus is going crazy. So there's too much light, but I'll take a picture afterwards, kind of showing how it is. But that was actually a really good install. And look, the back looks like 100% better. You know, just like, I love dbrand. You should include this in a lot of your packaging. This felted or, you know, whatever is pretty awesome. All right, and that was my install of the dbrand grip case skin. It came out pretty good. It was actually pretty simple. And there's my pop socket to ruin it, but we need it. So I wonder, actually, okay, for a second I thought it diminished magnetism, but we are good. All right, thanks guys for watching. If you guys want to see the other skins at any point in time, maybe next time I'll remove this and put the other skins on. So anyway, thanks guys. Bye now.